last vlog until I go to college. Alright, so update on the vlogs, the future of the vlogs, future of the channel. The reason I haven't really been posting is mainly because I've been doing a lot of practice with this and working more on racing, because I feel like I kind of have a good, at least a good base for freestyle now. So I really want to get really solid on racing so I can be competitive in future seasons. And then I've also recently got a new computer, which means I have a whole new suite of editing software, production tools. It's a lot more powerful, so that's really nice. But I have to learn how to use it, so I've been able to make videos as quickly as I wanted to. And like I said, I've been doing a lot of training, like the racing, which isn't that interesting, but I am planning to do a series on like what I've learned while kind of teaching myself how to race. It's actually coming out in the next month or two, hopefully.
$74.
Oh, perfect.
$72. It says need pilot. What's that mean? $69.
I know, remind me. You won't let me forget, no. I know, beside me. This side of you that I know. 'Cause if it's not love, it's worthless. To be right back. Slip in my eye and I'm wordless. You don't understand. You don't understand my love. You don't understand my love. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand my love.
Just had a great flight above the clouds. First battery, great way to start off the day. I think we'll fly the Twin Dream next. Let's get some more chase footage.
Come back with your quiet eyes. Don't blind me with regret, no. Come back, don't you realize I'll go wherever you go. Hey, you don't understand my love. You don't understand my love. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand my love.
Alright, wing guy tries quad for the first time. See how long it takes him to crash. This is Acro Trainer mode in action. Oh! He goes for the gap.
Oh!
Disarm. What?
No, it was a bush.
No, you're fine. All right, you should be good. Yeah, I thought you were gonna make it through, and I was like, "Damn, that's
You were
impressive."
right there. You just had a little corner left. That's a car. That's yours.
Go forwards.
Yeah, as long as you go 40, good. Give a little more throttle.
Oh. Looks like I turned off the camera too early. He's gone into full acro. This is where sim time pays off, apparently.
Yeah, this is awesome. 3 days worth of sim.
3 days worth of sim time, flying in Baby Hawk in acro mode. Impressive. All right, just finished up with last swing, great flying session. I think that footage turned out well. I mean, you just saw it, but I mean, I'll see when I edit, but I have a feeling that's some of my best footage ever. Heading back, got some minor repairs, you know, basic stuff. And then I think I'm testing a wing with Jake later, and if that's the case, I'll pick the vlog back up when I get there. See you later. Alright, what's up? Back with the vlog. Sometime later. We're out here at the park, about to test Jake's new wing. We got this set up with iNav. Should be interesting. This is the third try to get this to work. We'll see how it goes. Jake's here. Anything to say to the...
I bet I had the control. No, I had it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it on.
Alright. Let's give this a test. I'll put this down to get the launch angle. And if it flies, I'll pick it up and explain what's happening. There we go. Ready? The Texsumo is awesome FPV. Jake seems to really like it.
Yeah.
Just gonna bring it by for a photo pass here. Low and slow. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. That glide is just fantastic. That was the video of it. All right, now we're testing the Jake's Texsumo on 4S, and it looks like it's handling it really well. Got some speed going, a little bit more maneuverability. Probably not quite the same flight time, but a little bit more fun. Oh yeah. All right, gonna wrap up the vlog there. I think that was a good one. Last one before college. Hopefully I have a lot more content coming out soon once I get to college. Should be interesting stuff going on. Hopefully it's worth vlogging, and hopefully I have time to. But until then, gonna wrap it up. See ya.
Beside me, this side of you that I